Hello everyone, welcome to a new session. Today I would like to present to you a new feature which we have for deburring. It's the lead angle to cutting direction option. This angle defines the lead lag angle of the tool axis from the bisecting vector in the direction of the toolpath slice. Please note that the lead angle is relative to the cutting direction. In case of zigzag machining, the tool orientation flips with every new cut. And in case of one-way machining, the tool orientation doesn't change. In order to show you how this option works, let us set up two operations. First, I would like to show you this option in the UI. It's this one right here. It is available for 5 axis and 3+2 axis on the normal to contour strategy. Let us create a bin file which has the first angle set to 0. I will select the whole geometry which I have displayed, and this guide curves here. Let's calculate and see the result. Here it is. Let us simulate a little bit. Yes. The second option, the second bin file, will have the same part surface, the same guide curves. This one's right here, but we will set up the angle to 50. Let's calculate and see the result and simulate a little bit in order to see what's going on. Thank you very much for your attention.